In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate program Thinkific course. By the end, you'll know exactly how to assign the affiliate role in Thinkific, so partners or students can be recognized for referrals and properly credited with commissions. First, make sure you're signed in to your Thinkific admin. We'll start by heading to the Users area. From your admin dashboard, go to Users, then select All Users. This is where every person in your school is listed, including students, instructors, and partners. If you already have someone in mind, use the search to locate them quickly. If the person you want to make an affiliate isn't in your system yet, add them here as a new user so they're ready to be assigned the affiliate role. Once you've found or added the right user, open their profile to make the change. In their profile settings, look for user roles. You'll see an option labeled Affiliate. Check that box to give this person the affiliate role. This role tells Thinkific to track their referrals so you can attribute sales to them reliably. It doesn't change their course access, it simply layers on affiliate permissions for tracking and payouts. Next, set their commission rate. You can choose a percentage or a flat amount. A percentage works well if your course prices vary or if you want your affiliate to share in promotions automatically. For example, a 30% commission scales up or down with the sale price. A flat amount is useful when you want predictable costs per sale, regardless of discounts or bundles. Pick the option that aligns with your pricing strategy and clearly matches what you've agreed upon with the affiliate. If you sell multiple products at different price points, consider how a percentage versus a flat rate will affect each sale so your compensation remains fair and sustainable. After you've selected the commission type and amount, save your changes. This is an easy step to overlook, but it's the key that activates the affiliate role and locks in the commission structure you just set. A quick double check here ensures everything is correct before you move on. That's it. You've gone to Users and All Users, found or added the person, edited their profile to assign the affiliate role, set the commission rate, and saved. From here, Thinkific will recognize the user as an affiliate and apply the commission rules you defined. Keep your commission structure simple and transparent, and you'll have a smooth, trackable affiliate setup that supports your growth.